Yardstyle live.
The whole,
Nurturing us.
yes, yeah. So that's why it's a whole different ball game with me and a lot of artists.
Because the busy,
Because
cause
I
you
was
get busy
there.
signal when busy signal just at start in the shop.
Of course, listen, when I met Busy, all right, I see Busy at Renaissance every day. Not to not Renaissance, but it's like they never really pay him no mind, bro. The man was just there under the tree,
hang out.
DJing every day to himself, bro. And I just take up myself and say, you know what? I want to know what this man is DJing every goddamn day. Just switch up under the tree at the corner. What the hell is he saying? Because Busy's about the corner tree. You know words, you know. It's like, I say, oh, what are you talking about or something? So I started talking to him now, hang out with him, start learning the lyrics and the vibes, and saw me and Busy start pouring out. So I recognize him talent, bro. And he's like, I say, yo, no, sir. But I try to work with him really, till me and him end up all the vibes for Step Out, can bridge them, build a rhythm and my character, make him hear.
Step
and
Out,
build the vibes. And because that song, if you really ask anybody, that's my song, you know.
Yeah, man. No people
I
know.
produced that song from start to finish. You hear me? Produced that song from start to finish, bro. And I went away for like a week. By the time I come back from foreign, Busy signed agreement to the Renaissance and Jazzy. Voice over this. I don't even know if them use the acapella and voice over this. I don't know. But it's a whole new song come out. And the rhythm change up things other and rare. I say, wow, music business. So that was part of me learning the game.
Yeah.
That was part of me learning the game. Because I remember saying me and Delano them and Jazzy them is family up to this day.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.